What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. I wanted to show you 5 things that are really easy to do that you might not know how to do within the EUFY app. These are for the EUFY cameras, like you have the EUFY security cameras, which I absolutely love. So the first thing is, how do you view your cameras? Well, the quick and easy way is you can just click on the camera that you want. So for instance, if I want to see any and all footage from my driveway, you see there's like a number. It says 0, but it's because I already looked at it. If I tap on that, it's only going to show me any footage from my camera for that I just clicked on, so I can see it. And like maybe I want to see, for instance, this one, I'll just tap on it and I can see in just a moment, I can see the footage and I can zoom in if I want to see what's going on there. And I can do that with any of my cameras here. So I can, again, tap on whatever I want. Maybe I want the trash camera. I tap on that and it just shows me the events that it's captured for the trash camera. So very, very quick and easy. If you want to see the long way, like everything all put together, just tap on events and just make sure you don't have a camera selected here. Get rid of that. And that's going to show you all of everything that it's recorded from every single camera under your account. Next would be, how do you rearrange these cameras to the order that you see fit? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to tap this menu button, the 3 lines at the top there. Scroll all the way down and tap on settings. Then you're going to see right here, device display order. Tap on that. And then from here, you're going to drag these in any direction that you want. Maybe you want this front door camera to be down there, and you want this one to be up here, and you want this to be down there. Once you're done with the way you want to arrange it, again, you just move it from these little things on the right, up or down. Just tap save at the top, and then it'll be in that new order that you saved. What about if you want to restart one of your devices because you're having issues with it, or you just want to restart it for whatever reason? What you're going to do is tap the 3 dots of the camera, hit the gear, and then go down until you see right there, restart device. And then all you do is just hit restart, confirm, and the device will restart and hopefully fix itself for you if you're having like a Wi-Fi issue or something, or it's just acting strange. Go in there and just restart the device. Now, while we're in here under settings for the camera, you can also check for updates. So if you go into general and then go to about device, you're going to see check for firmware update, and it'll check for a firmware update. Maybe you have one. Again, that might be why you're having an issue, or you want the new feature that they just talked about. You can come in here and update your camera that way as well. Now, 2 other bonus ones are, if you have a wireless camera, like it's completely wireless, it's not powered by anything except the battery that's inside it. There's a way to check the battery life, and I'm going to show you that real quick. So if you choose one of these, I know, for instance, my Apple Tree camera, I'm going to tap this, the 3 dots, and then I'm going to tap the gear, and then I'm just going to go down to Power Manager, and I can see that I have 93% battery. This one has a built-in solar panel, so I know that I'm going to be really good with that. But yeah, you can come in here and check that, what's going on with the battery life, and see how much you have. It's right at the top there. Now, while we're looking at the camera, the other one that's really important that you're going to want to do is motion detection. Come in here. I set mine up to 7. And the reason I do that is because I wanted to connect, I wanted to notice things really, really quickly. And I turn on human recognition, human detection. You don't need human recognition, but human detection for sure. Pet detection. If you're, if you want to see the cars that drive by, turn on vehicle detection. I like that on my outdoor camera because of the fact that it helps me if someone's car got broken into or something happened, my camera will catch it. It doesn't have to see any people. The ones I always turn off is all other motions. I don't need to see a leaf blow or just something random moving. That doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is seeing human and pet detection. And then if I really want to see vehicle, I'll turn on vehicle as well. Now, that's everything that I would recommend you checking out and changing and just amending if you need to right off the bat. It's going to help your life a lot more and make your experience with EUFY cameras better as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.